A versatile glue gun comes in handy for creating everything from kid-friendly crafts and decorative seasonal items to fabric-based interior design pieces, such as headboards, lampshades, and no-sew pillow covers. There are many products available to choose the best glue gun, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gorilla Dual Temp Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit. The Gorilla Dual Temp Mini Hot Glue Gun weighs just 12 ounces and boasts an ergonomic trigger that makes it easy to wield. The well-designed nozzle allows for precise placement of hot glue, and because it features 2 heat settings, it can accommodate both low and high-temp glue sticks. In fact, the Gorilla comes as a kit with a pack of 30 glue sticks included. In tests we found that the mini glue gun's grip is comfortable in the hand, the nozzle doesn't leak or drip glue while positioned upright, and the built-in stand holds the tool securely in place when not in use. We appreciated the impressive 45-second heat-up time, too. Keep in mind, though, that the tool is pretty petite, so it may not feel comfortable in larger hands. Number 2. Elmer's Craft Bond High-Temp Mini Hot Glue Gun. Elmer's Craft Bond glue gun may be small and inexpensive, but it features big safety perks. The glue gun has a heat-insulated nozzle and an emergency automatic shut-off feature, making it a good option for use around children. We were skeptical at first because of the gun's small overall size and tiny trigger, but we found the slightly curved handle to fit comfortably in the palm of the hand. Categorized as a high-temp glue gun, it has just 10 watts of power, so reaching the high melting point takes several minutes. Once it's raring to go, it should be perfectly capable of handling most crafting and home repair adhesive needs. Number 3. Chandler Tool Hot Glue Gun Kit. Those looking for a versatile and powerful glue gun for a variety of crafts and household repairs should check out the Chandler Tool Hot Glue Gun. With 60 watts of heating power, the glue gun will melt a variety of full-size glue sticks. It features a unique no-drip tip designed to reduce those annoying strings of excess glue that can get on surfaces when the gun is set down. In addition to the kickstand, there's also a built-in base that keeps the tool securely in an upright position, and we found that to be its standout feature, as models with a flip-down kickstand have a frustrating tendency to fall over. However, the plastic body does feel a bit thin and not very durable. Number 4. WORKPRO Cordless Hot Glue Gun. A cordless glue gun can be a real convenience in areas where a corded model can't reach, and the WORKPRO Cordless Hot Glue Gun is a quality choice. It features a 2600 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, allowing for 30 minutes of continuous cordless work time and up to 110 minutes total on a fully charged battery. We found this high-temp mini glue gun comfortable to use thanks to a trigger that has room for both the index and middle finger. Most mini models only have space for an index finger. The LED indicators show when the gun is on and ready to dispense, it has ample power, and the cordless flexibility can't be beat for gluing virtually anywhere. Number 5. Surebender PRO2 to 220 watt adjustable hot glue gun. The Surebender PRO2 is designed for high-volume and heavy-duty applications. It boasts 220 watts of power and an adjustable temperature knob that ranges from 220 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. The tool heats up in less than 5 minutes and features a toggle switch near the handle base that lights up bright red to indicate when it is on. Although any full-size glue stick can be used in the tool, Surebender makes industrial-strength glue sticks designed to provide heavy-duty adhesion, and the manufacturer recommends only using its glue sticks or a similar heavy-duty formula for best results. Overall, we were impressed with the Surebender PRO2, but it's pricey and best suited for professional or heavy-duty use. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.